I am Shakila Sultana Ruby, originally from Joshua district. I have completed my diploma in nursing science and midwifery course from Nursing and Midwifery College, Joshua. Now I am studying on BSc in Nursing, Faculty of Medicine under the Dhaka University. Following my graduation, I worked as a senior staff nurse at Abdin Sofia Medical College Hospital. Currently, I am working as a senior staff nurse at Ahsania Mission Female Drug Treatment Center under the health sector, Dhaka Ahsania Mission, where I gained hands-on experience in patient care, emergency response, and effective communication with both patient and healthcare teams. I committed to providing high-quality nursing care while maintaining empathy, integrity, and professionalism.